Hi everyone, I hope your practicums are going very well. I'm just taking a few moments to check in with you, looking forward. Start thinking about your change project if you haven't already done so, and take a look at the rubrics and the screencast on doing the logic model, and then subsequently you'll be doing a presentation on your change as well. So just start looking at it and start preparing for it. It will be very helpful to kind of take a preview of those particular rubrics and take a look at what you will be doing. The other thing is I thank you for your very detailed journals, and I'm enjoying reading those journals. I just wanted to remind you also that the next journal is due February the 24th. So as you're progressing through your practicum, if there's absolutely anything that I can help you with, I know I've spoken with you individually, but I just wanted to put that out there. If there's anything that you need from me, don't hesitate to reach out and let me know how I can help you. So take care, and talk with you soon.